Scott here with ArtistsNetwork, and I want to welcome you to this course on plein air painting techniques. Now, I've been painting plein air for about 20 years now, and over those years I've developed a flow, a way of working and a way of using the materials that have helped me to speed up my practice. When we say the word plein air, what we're referring to is painting outdoors. And over the years it's kind of developed into the style or a genre, but really what it is, it's being outside and allowing the landscape to be your studio. And in that framework, plein air painting can take many forms. You can experiment with color, you can be a true naturalist, you can work for multiple sittings in the landscape, you can do it all in one shot. It's all up to you as an artist. But the one thing that unifies those who paint outdoors is the fact that we're confronted with a set of challenges that are particular to the landscape, and that is the changing light, the weather conditions, the structure of the landscape. And if you find yourself battling the materials and struggling just to use the paint and getting caught up in how the materials work, it can be a challenge to capture all of those aspects. So what this course covers are a series of techniques, from laying out the composition to blocking in to finishing techniques, that will get you focused on things that are really critical: the composition, the color, and the structure in your painting. And so you're not battling the materials themselves. And so hopefully by the time you walk away from this course, you'll have a new set of tools that you can use when you're out in the field. So let's get right to it. We'll take a look at the materials we'll be using and dig right into our painting.